to Space Time News channel. This is your host Devardhan. You can call me TJ. Today's headlines are: a device that makes possible to communicate with paralyzed people. Lightning strikes killed 3 siblings standing under a tree in UK. Woman survives a drop from 9th floor. 20 lakh Indian WhatsApp accounts have been banned by WhatsApp. Richard didn't travel to space on July 11th, climbed Neil Tyson. 1,022 trees to be cut in Delhi for Metro's AeroCity. 4 tourists from Punjab have been arrested for attacking public with the swords in Manali. Hyderabad waterlogged after receiving a heavy rainfall. A criminal's birthday has been celebrated by a policeman in Mumbai. World's youngest space traveler to travel with Bezos. All direct flights from India to Canada have been banned by Canada. Truck overturned 20,000 kgs tomatoes scattered on the express highway. Japan is the most trusted friend in strategic and economic sphere, PM Modi said. Waterlogging in financial capital of India, transportation affected. A speech neuroprosthetic developed by researchers at the University of California has enabled a man with severe paralysis to communicate. An electrode device was implanted over the brain area that controls the vocal tract. The device then translated brain activity into words in real time, when then appeared as text on the screen, allowing him to communicate. 3 siblings were struck by lightning while they were taking a selfie under a tree in UK, and the moment was captured on the camera. They were cycling on Monday when they took shelter under a tree following heavy rainfall and decided to take a selfie. The trio was taken to hospital with burns and discharged hours later. A woman has been injured after she fell from the 9th floor of an apartment building in Uttar Pradesh, Ghaziabad. Police said a video of the incident showed the woman's husband holding on to her hand while she was hanging from the balcony. We have come to know that the woman had slipped from the balcony, police said. WhatsApp in its complaints report under the new IT rules revealed that it banned 20 lakh Indian accounts from May 15 to June 15th. Our top focus is preventing accounts from sending harmful or unwanted messages, WhatsApp said. It also clarified that over 95% of such bans are due to the unauthorized use of the automated or bulk messaging spam. Famous astrophysicist Neil deGrasse Tyson, in an interview with CNN, claimed that billionaire Richard Branson did not travel to space on July 11th. I'm sorry, I mean, first of all, it's suborbital and NASA did that 60 years ago with Alan Shepard. Tyson said, you want to call it space? Okay, because regular people haven't done that before, he added. The AeroCity Tughlakabad corridor of Delhi Metro has been approved by Ridge Management Board to pass to the Ridge. 4 stations will be built in the Ridge and morphological Ridge areas, and 1,072 trees will be cut. The 23.62 km long corridor will pass through Maipalpur, Kishangarh, IGNOU and Mahanandame Marg. 4 tourists from Punjab have been arrested for attacking public with swords in Manali after they were asked to reserve their car. Kullu SP Gurdev Sharma said their car was causing a traffic jam. He further said, adding that a person was injured. A case has been registered under relevant section of IPC and Arms Act against the tourists. Heavy rainfall lashed parts of Hyderabad on Wednesday, causing waterlogging in low-lying areas. As per GHMC's disaster management wing, LB Nagar zone received the highest rainfall in excess of 15 centimeters. The Indian Meteorological Department (IMD) predicted heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places in 17 districts of Telangana, including Hyderabad, Medchal, Malkajgiri, and Nizamabad. A senior Mumbai police inspector was transferred to the control room after a purported video of him celebrating the birthday of man booked in a writing and attempt to murder case surfaced online. The divisional ACP has been asked to conduct a departmental inquiry. Birthday of a mafia don was celebrated at Jogeshwari police station, a former BJP MP tweeted. Blue Origin revealed 18-year-old Oliver Diamond as the first paying customer to fly to space with Jeff Bezos, Mark Bezos and 82-year-old Wally Funk on July 20. At 18, Diamond will be the youngest person to travel to space, as now late Soviet cosmonaut German Titov holds the record for the youngest person to fly to space at 25. Canada has extended ban on all direct flights from India till July 21, Canadian government announced. During the period, passengers who travel to Canada from India via an indirect route will need to obtain a pre-departure negative COVID-19 molecular test result from third country before continuing their journey to Canada, it stated. Around 20 kgs of tomatoes were scattered on Eastern Express Highway in Maharashtra's Thane after a truck carrying them overturned at around 2 a.m. on Friday. One person was injured in the incident and has been taken to the nearest hospital, the city's civic body informed. The incident has led to traffic jams on both lanes of the highway. Inaugurating the International Cooperation and Convention Center, Rudraksh in Varanasi, constructed with Japanese assistance, PM Narendra Modi said that Japan is one of the India's most trusted friends in strategic and economic spheres. We share fundamental values such as freedom, strategic interests. PM added, COVID-19 pandemic has made mutual visits difficult at this moment, he stated. Heavy overnight rainfall led to waterlogging in several parts of Mumbai. On Friday, including Sion and Gandhi Market areas, the Brihan Mumbai Electric Supply and Transport BEST diverted bus due to waterlogging in some of low-lying areas. The Central Railway also announced that trains on the harbour and slow lines were running 20 to 25 minutes late due to waterlogged railway tracks. Now, core updates. National COVID cases, worldwide COVID cases. India reported 38,949 new COVID-19 cases and 40,026 recoveries in last 24 hours according to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The number of COVID-19 deaths reported so far in country reached to 4,12,531 and 542. New deaths were reported. Active COVID-19 cases in the country stand at 4,30,422. Worldwide COVID cases as of 16 July 2021, there were 189,853,909 coronavirus cases recorded, from which 173,228,134 have recovered, and the total death toll surged to 4,085,602, and there were 12,540,143 active cases. In this tough time, please do follow SMS rule, which is sanitizing, mask, social distancing. I know that we'll win this war against COVID-19. This is me, Tejay, signing off.